Using these simple homemade rice remedies can really help revitalize your skin. They leave your complexion feeling so fresh and healthy.
Want that viral glass skin? It is actually so easy. I start my DIY toner with orange peel and rose water. Let it soak for 15 minutes, then strain until it is clear. I add a splash of glycerin for hydration and move it to a bottle. Now, try the 30-day challenge. Just apply daily and watch the glow happen. Look at that glow! Want that viral Korean glass skin? First, soak white rice in water for 2 hours. This is our magic base. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with that rice water and a bit of coconut oil. Whisk it all together until it becomes this beautiful, thick, creamy cream.
Korean beauty secret. Soak rice overnight, then use the milky water in the morning. It makes your skin naturally glowing.
Rice flour and aloe vera gel is the perfect combination for brightening your skin and reducing dark spots. Apply it gently like this for the best results.
Now take 2 tablespoons rice water, add aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule oil. Mix and apply it on her face. Get glass skin glow, use it in daily skin routine. Add a few drops of glycerine and some rose water to the rice water.
Shake it well and use this daily for that perfect glass skin glow.
Add rice flour, then aloe vera gel, and 2 spoons of cucumber juice. Mix well until it's gummy, then apply. This gives you amazing glass skin. I will show you how to get glass skin glow. Apply this rice mask, wash it off, and look how radiant my skin is.
If you like these Rice Simple skincare routine tips, subscribe my Ready to Glow channel and like and share my videos, and thanks for watching!